Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, the technology that's changing the way we live, work, and interact with machines. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems can learn from experience, adapt to new data, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. At the heart of AI are algorithms and neural networks that mimic the human brain's neural connections. Through a process called machine learning, AI models can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and improve their performance over time. Let's explore some of the incredible applications of AI in our daily lives. Virtual assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa help us with tasks, answer questions, and control smart devices. Autonomous vehicles. AI is driving the development of self-driving cars, promising safer and more efficient transportation. Healthcare. In the medical field, AI is used for diagnostics, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans, potentially revolutionizing healthcare outcomes. E-commerce and recommendations. AI algorithms analyze user preferences to provide personalized product recommendations, enhancing the shopping experience. AI comes with both exciting benefits and unique challenges. Benefits. AI enhances productivity, accelerates innovation, and can solve complex problems, improving various aspects of our lives. Challenges. Ethical concerns around AI include privacy, bias, and the impact on the job market. However, it's essential to embrace AI responsibly, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. That's a wrap on our AI journey. We hope you enjoyed exploring the world of artificial intelligence with us today. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep embracing the wonders of technology and the incredible possibilities of AI.